Welcome into the STAHLS TV studio for this episode, and our inspiration today is pretty much any sneaker style you can think of. Almost every popular sneaker style and brand has a colorway that includes a reflective element. Like you see here in this Nike Air Max 90, where we have the swoosh that's a reflective element. You see lots of details in sneakers and in fashion where reflective shines through. Now, one pickup from this particular sneaker is that you see a lot of tone-on-tone reflective, where the base of the sneaker is black, but we see reflective black on top. And so tonal, tone-on-tone design, whatever you want to call it, is extremely popular. And so why don't we take heat transfers and recreate that onto some of our apparel items today? So we have 4 different styles of t-shirts today that we're going to bring this concept to life. We have a couple comfort color style t-shirts. We have a Bella Canvas heavyweight tee, and then we also have a thread fast t-shirt stacked up here. And we have a quad pack of different colors of reflective logos, all of which that you can buy rolls of heat transfer films, process on a vinyl cutter, create the designs and quantities of one, or just order from STAHLS and it'll come to you just like this, ready to peel, position, and heat apply. So let's head over to our Hotronics Auto Open Clam, and we're gonna start with the Reflective II silver color. We're gonna start with our Comfort Colors t-shirt in a gray color. We'll load it onto our Auto Open Clam. Same technique as always. We're pulling down to the structure of the shoulders to make sure it's straight. We're feeling for the side seams in the sleeves to make sure it's loaded appropriately. And then we're just retracting this back evenly so the collar falls right over the edge. That preps us for an important step always, which is the preheat. It helps to get moisture out of the garment, especially when you're dealing with garments with cotton in them. That's critical and helps get a nice flat, wrinkle-free surface. So our reflective transfer, we're just gonna peel the backing away, and so that gets the adhesive exposed and ready to position down to the garment. Quick little tip is you can fold the transfer back to back, create a centering crease and line that helps you lining it up with the tag of the press. Sorry, with the tag of the garment in the center of the press. Position this down. Just do a quick little check to make sure that's centered and straight, and we're ready to heat apply. Now, we've partnered with one of my favorite local brands, which is Cash Cow Clothing, to be able to create these designs from their logo. They have a nice streetwear brand in a retail store. We've done previous episodes with their company, and so make sure you check out those episodes in the link in the description. Apply this. It is a warm to a cool peel, so we're gonna let it cool down. So let's stack it to the side. I'm just gonna keep pressing shirts, and we'll come back at the end to reveal all of our finished results. So again, load it, super quick and easy with the Hotronics Auto Open Clam. Get rid of some of those wrinkles while I'm grabbing and peeling my transfer. You notice my heat press is toggling between a 3-second application and my 10 to 12-second application. Same process for laying them out and applying. I'll prep my next transfer while that one's pressing, and we'll do the reveal at the end so you can check out all of these cool reflective tone-on-tone finishes. Just give you a little sense of how quick you can operate in production. Even though we're pressing different shirts, you have the shirts well staged with the transfer, have your heat press set up and everything within arm's reach. It's very quick, it's very easy. And that's one of the important parts of a professional grade heat press, is it allows you to just operate at a different pace, because the heater is super thick. Some heat presses have a super thin heater, and those are the cheap ones on Amazon. With Hotronics, you get this super thick heater that not only delivers the heat accurately, but retains the heat in between applications. And that's critical, especially when you're pressing thicker cottons and fleece. You can have a guarantee that you're getting that consistent, high quality result. So we're not only creating designs that look cool, we're creating designs that are gonna last, that can be worn time and time again, that you can have the confidence in delivering with a retail value to your clients. So last one. We'll stack these back up so we can peel them. When you stack the shirts, they tend to retain the heat a little bit on the transfer. So I'm just creating a little space in between there. and that will just let them cool down. So let's take a closer look at what we've created together here. And we'll start with our base Reflective II. You can see the nice high-end finish. Carrier releases at a 45-degree angle. And we have beautiful silver reflective design that has that tone-on-tone effect, but still has good contrast and can stand out. Again, all of these are reflective, so they reflect light back to the source, and they will stand out at night. So new color of Reflective II, which is a teal color. Wow, this looks so sharp. So think about accenting and picking a reflective color that matches the good that you're decorating. This reflective teal looks phenomenal. And then, what do you think this one is, guys? I think you're getting it right. It's the reflective black. Ooh, I lied. It's the rainbow black. Those confused me. I got them mixed up. So on this one, which I was going to save for last, but you got the peek at it already. So this is the reflective rainbow black. So it has that rainbow effect while having the reflectivity, so it stands out and you get a really cool effect. And then our last one that we put on this garment dyed shirt is our standard Reflective II black, right? So it's actually, with reflective, you get a little more of a charcoal than a super deep black, but it's great tonal effect with that reflective finish on this garment dyed shirt. So let's take a close-up look at all of these finishes and the retro reflective properties. So a really cool high-end effect, and it's very simple to execute, and that's what's really great about Reflective II. So if you are buying this as a heat transfer, the minimum order quantity is 5 pieces per color, so 5 of the silver, 5 of the black, etc. And you can order quantity breaks on up through, but ballpark, for an image of this size, it's about $5 in cost. It arrives to you ready to just heat press. So no cutting, no weeding, just position and press. However, if you do have a vinyl cutter, you're looking to invest in a vinyl cutter, you can save some money, easily process this on a vinyl cutter, and it'll cost you about $1 per image in material alone to be able to process this on a vinyl cutter. So add a little bit of labor to that, you're definitely still cutting half of the cost out by processing this in-house with a roll of heat transfer film on a vinyl cutter. And you can buy all of these reflective materials in as little as 1 yard, 5 yard, 10 yard rolls. So it's pretty effective to get into. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is just inspire you. Reflective is an element we see across many brands, many styles of sneakers. The heat transfer product can apply not only to streetwear and to fashion and sports, but also many other markets, including corporate logos, cheer, dance, and the list goes on and on. So hopefully you've been inspired in this episode to create tonal designs with Reflective II transfers from STAHLS. Thanks for watching.